Hey everyone, welcome back to Shug and Allen's Travel Channel. So you came to Shug and Allen for a room tour on Carnival Radiance, an interior room. All right, we're going to show you what it's all about. This is Stateroom 2426. Coming inside, you've got your emergency exit here, your muster station, really important. For storage, you've got a safe. This isn't the one with the keypad, this is the one where you slide your ID. Got your life jackets down here. Of course, I tell you, if there's an emergency and you're close to your stateroom, come and get your life jackets. If you're not close to your stateroom, just go straight to your muster station. Got another closet here. You got a full-length mirror. We got our stuff down there. Got our stuff early today. Got some hangers to hang everything up on. They give you a little card to put in here. That's what keeps your lights on, so you don't have to use your stateroom card. And of course, your light switches. Then we come into the restroom. Got some hooks here, or posts to hang your towels on. And of course, your towels, your washcloths, your toilet or commode. We got some shelves over here. Put your miscellaneous stuff on. Hello. Got some more shelves over here. Your faucet, got a few shelves underneath, as well as a trash can. You've got your shower over here with your shampoo and shower gel, body wash, and adjustable shower head. You got the dreaded shower curtain. Can't stand the shower curtains. Got your line up here to dry off your clothes, hang your swim trunks and stuff. Stepping out of there, and look who do we have here. We got my assistant Shug.
Hey everyone.
All right, we also got your thermostat right here. I recommend setting that to the coldest setting possible. All right, what else we got, Shug?
Okay, then over here we have your stateroom phone. We have some shelving. You have some drawers. Here you have your hair dryer, which is standard in every room. And you have a couple of more drawers.
All right, and then we've got over here, got your refrigerator / cooler. So lots of room in there to put your water bottles, soda cans. Of course, that does not get very cold. It's more like a cooler. Working our way down. Got your vanity there, and it has the lights on right now. Okay, what else we got?
Right here, then you have your little pull-out seat here. You have some more cabinet space here, and then you have your TV.
All right, decent sized TV for stateroom, standard size, about a 32-inch, I would say roughly. Got your king size bed over here, and of course that does split into 2 twins if you need it to.
Then you also have some extra storage space on each side of the bed, little nightstands.
All right, a couple of reading lights over there. And I'll show you the room from the other side. Another nightstand over there. And this is what you're looking at from the other side. For an interior room, it's a pretty decent size. No couch or chair, but it's a good size. So thank you for watching.